Hello everyone and welcome back to the AppJobs channel where we talk about different ways you can make money using your phone. But today we're going to talk about 3 ways you can make money with scooters. So before we go through that, I would like to ask you to hit the subscribe button so you'll always know when we have a new video coming. We post on Mondays and Thursdays, and we also have live streams here every 2 weeks. So yes, hit the subscribe button and then we can go to this video. So you've heard about Lime before, right? It's a revolutionizing scooter rental company where people can basically rent scooters and go around town. But it's way more than that for you who wants to make money in a flexible way. Yes, basically you can make money with Lime in 3 different ways. The first one is as a scooter juicer or a scooter charger. The job is pretty simple. You're gonna go around town with your car, van, truck, or even by foot, checking the app for Lime and seeing scooters around town that needs to be charged. You're gonna put them in your car or carry them home anyway and put them in your house charging during the night. And the next morning you take the scooters back to where you found them and you get paid right away. It's a great deal. It's a quick money if you need to pay a friend or if you need to buy something fast or if you just need some extra cash to go, just charge some scooters overnight and in the morning you have your payment right away. Also, anyone can be a charger. The only thing you have to do is watch some scooters get charged. And on top of that, it's super simple to use the app. You just need a phone, internet connection, and a bank account to get your payments. The requirements are to have a work permit in the city you're applying from, to have a smartphone, and of course have a driver's license if you're going to be picking the scooters with your car, van, or truck. And that's pretty much it. If you have that, you're good to start working as a charger now. You can get up to €150 per day while working as a scooter charger. A second way you can make money with scooters is being a Lime mechanic. It's the perfect job for you who has experience as a mechanic or someone that is really willing to learn and are interested in this kind of things. You will assemble, maintain, and repair pedal bikes, electronic bikes, and electronic scooters from Lime. The requirements are that you have to be at least 18 years old, have knowledge of mechanics or at least be willing to learn them, be well organized and comfortable using smartphone apps. You can get €19 per hour while working as a Lime mechanic. So if you want to do that, go for it. Last but not least, the third option for you to make money with a scooter with Lime is to be an operations specialist. It sounds fancy, but it's basically just being a leader. And on top of that, this is the only full-time option job offer we have at AppJobs.com. So this is not part-time, it's a full-time job if that's what you're looking for. If you have experience in managing teams and if you have experience with mechanics and electronics and knowledge on this field, this job is for you. The tasks while working as an operations specialist are the following: to manage your team and give clear instructions, to maintain a warehouse in the terms of storage and conditions, with the help from your team obviously, check the scooter flow during your shift, and take care of deployment and retrievement of scooters. And that's it. The requirements for these ones are to have a full driver's license, full-time availability, because as I said, this is a full-time opportunity, aptitude to utilize software tools for fleet operations and to complete weekly reports, ability to be very active, being able to carry some weight, have a great attitude and ability to work with others, and have strong communication skills. If you check all of that, you're good to apply for this one right now at AppJobs.com. And that's pretty much for this video. If you were interested in any of these opportunities, just go straight to AppJobs.com, select your working city. These 3 in this case are all available in Paris, so make sure if you're from Paris or thinking about living in Paris, go hit that working city and then click on the category freelance to see all these options and start making money with scooters in 3 different ways. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment out there with any questions or any feedback that you want. What kind of company do you want to see here, what kind of videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!